So, ngayon is Sunday. Today's Sunday. Dumating ho dito si former COMELEC Commissioner Attorney Gregorio Larrazabal, who is now the Vice President for PPCRV National. At siya po'y dumating aboard a private plane almost 12:30 na. So, siguro kung dumating yun siya ng mga 8 o'clock in the morning, we'll have the chance to roam around Simonol, Tandubas, and Sapa-Sapa in other neighboring barangays. But too late masyado. Ang delayed, 12:30, so barely 3 hours lang. By 4 o'clock, he has to go back to Manila. So ang ginawa namin, gimit namin siya in the airport, and then lunch at Beachside Inn Hotel. And then we have arranged a 30 minutes meeting with the chairman of the monitoring team, Tawi-Tawi Attorney Romy Fortes, and Director Noli Pipo. So they had a private meeting na sila lang, and then 30 minutes after, we went with the first area na binisita ni Sir Larrazabal. It was actually parang an inspiration on the part of our volunteers. Naging instant celebrity si former Commissioner Larrazabal, kasi picture dito, picture doon, pati yung mga EO. Sandali lang, give us 2 minutes for picture with him. And then inspired yung aming PPCRV volunteers, because para na rin silang binisita ni Ambassador Tita De Villa, because Sir Larrazabal is here. And basically, umikot lang talaga at tiningnan yung conduct of registration, yung proseso na ginagawa, and then how our PPCRV volunteers na nag-a-assist sa ating mga EOs. And there were 6 registration center na nabisita namin. Yung Provincial Housing Project, na meet niya yung isang PWD na volunteer natin, and then we also went to the office of the provincial election supervisor, where 2 machines or voters registration machine naka-locate. Isang PWD din ang kanyang na-meet doon, and then pumunta kami ng Pag-asa. Itong Barangay Pag-asa is the most controversial barangay or voting registration center, because officials, local government units coming in and out of the registration center and ask for forms, and napaka-controversial. Kaya ngayong umaga nagsuntukan na. But Philippine Marines were very fast to... Hindi ako natatawa dun sa nangyari. Of course, I'm really very sad sa nangyari. Pero bigla nagkaroon na ng suntukan. And later on, napag-alaman namin between isang councilor na pinagbalik-balik namin na pagsabihan na, "Sir, guwa ho kayo." Guwa kayo na ba yan? "Out ho kayo dahil you are not allowed to be inside the voters registration center." Pati isang nagngangalang, may binanggit kaninang pangalan, pero alias lang yun . So, isang municipal councilor na si June Ibo, from day 1, napapansin ito ng practically lahat ng registrants, at nakakabigay ng parang feeling of irritation sa kanila, kasi bawat kakilala niya, bawat form dinadala niya dun sa mga bata niya, and then itong mga nakalinya for how many days nagsasuffer. So yun, biglang nagkaroon ng ganong eksenang suntukan. But alhamdulillah, the Marines were very fast to pacify yung both ends. Alright, so yun ang pangyayari. But eto pa, isa pang hindi kaaya-ayang reports na nare-receive ko, although I have to confirm this. Ang reports ng mga bata, there are other police na parang instead of nakakatulong sila, parang nakakatulong sila na magiging irita ang other registrants. Kasi kung nandun sa kanila yung forms or numbers, may mga kakilala sila, binibigay nila ito. So, sabi ng mga ibang nakaline, "Uy, 4 na araw na kami nakalinya dito. Bakit bigla kang lumabas at may dala ka ng forms?" So, parang although yung request namin na papalitan ang pulis sa Barangay Pag-asa sa Titis at Registration Center, pinakinggan naman at pinadala ng Philippine Marines. Kaya ngayon it's a bit in order na, although today Monday, July 16, yung nga ang natanggap ko na may suntukan na nagaganap between isang registrant at isang tangkian na barangay Kagawad na tangkian. Ang ano ko lang dito sa mga taong ito, pag ako ang pumapasok sa loob ng registration center and I ask them to get out, all officials, all barangay officials, out, all police, out, pinapakinggan nila ako. Pero pag yung mga volunteers ko na nandyan, ay, pinaparinggan pa nila, bahala na kaniya ma-picturean dyan, bahala na daw. Kaya sabi ko, kailangan talagang kumilos ang COMELEC, legal action for that matter, para mga lessons learned ito pag hinayaan kasi natin ng ganito, walang kabuluhan itong general registration na to. Parang hindi natin nakukuha ang gusto nating minimithi. I mean, yes, minimithi, but instead, parang magmomoro-moro lang tayo.